Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel Maths with Panindra. In this video we are going to discuss transformations in trigonometry. We are in exercise 10E, sorry 10D, this is exercise. We have a discussion 10E or 10F, exactly don't know. We are in the transformations, last exercise of trigonometry. So 10th question. If a plus b plus c equal to 2s, then prove that sine of s minus a plus sine of s minus b plus sine c is equal to 4 sine of x minus a by 2 sine of s minus b by 2 into sine of c by 2. Are you able to see, everyone? Yes. Now, here given condition is a plus b plus c equal to 2s and LHS is sine of s minus a plus sine of s minus b plus sine c. So consider LHS. Consider LHS. Sine of s minus a plus sine of s minus b plus sine c. For first two terms, we are going to apply sine c plus sine d. What is the formula for sine c plus sine d? Sine c plus sine d equal to 2 sine c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. This is the formula. Sine c plus sine d. So it will becomes 2 sine c plus d by 2, that means sine of s minus a plus s minus b divided by 2 cos s minus a minus s plus b divided by 2 sine of c plus d by 2 cos of c minus d by 2 plus sine c. So which is equal to 2 times of sine of s plus s to s minus a minus b divided by 2 cos of minus s plus s get cancelled b minus a divided by 2 plus sine c. Sine c can be written as sine 2 sine c by 2 cos c by 2, half angle formula. Sin c can be written as 2 sin c by 2 cos c by 2. So which is equal to 2 into sine of, in place of 2s you have to replace with a plus b plus c. Since a plus b plus c equal to 2s, now a plus b plus c minus a minus b divided by 2 cos of b by 2 minus a by 2, I am separating, I am writing here 2 sin c by 2 cos c by 2. So plus a plus b minus b. So which is equal to 2 into sin c by 2 into cos b by 2 minus a by 2 plus 2 sin c by 2 into cos c by 2. Here we can take common 2 sin c by 2 in both the terms, which is equal to 2 sin c by 2 I am taking common. So the rest of the terms cos b by 2 minus a by 2 plus cos c by 2. This bracket value we are going to apply cos c plus cos d formula. 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So this is c, this is d. 2 into sin c by 2 cos 2 into cos c plus d by 2. b by 2 minus a by 2, that is c, plus d c by 2 by 2 bracket close cos b by 2 minus a by 2 minus c by 2 whole divided by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Now simplification, 2 sin c by 2, 2 into cos of, here b by 2 minus a by 2 plus c by 2. To take LCM in the numerator and you can take into the denominator, it will becomes b minus a plus c divided by 4. Take the LCM for the numerator and we will bring into the denominator. Similarly, cos of b by 2 minus a by 2 minus c by 2. So b minus a minus c divided by 4. 2 into 2. So which is equal to 2 into sine of c by 2. So 2 into cos of, here if you add and subtract a to this term, a plus b minus a plus c minus a, we are adding and subtracting, divided by 4, cos of, here also we are subtracting and adding b. So b minus a minus c minus b minus b. We are adding and subtracting. Here we are adding and plus b, subtracting plus b. So in place of a plus b plus c, you can write as 2s. After taking common minus here, a plus b plus c is also 2s. So 2 to the 4 sin c by 2 cos of a plus b plus c value is 2s. 2s minus 2a divided by 4 into cos of b plus b 2b minus a minus c minus b means minus 2s divided by 4. 1 minute, no? I'll grab it. Yeah, here previously I wrote here question is sin and sin here, but it is cos. So now 4 sin c by 2. Take common 2 from numerator and denominator and then cancel. 2 take common and cancel. Cos of s minus a by 2. Here also 2 take common. Cos of b minus s divided by 2. But I want to show that cos of s minus b by 2. So what we have to do? Take common minus. If you take common minus, cos of minus theta is cos theta only. So by using this property, cos of b minus s, we can write it as cos of minus of b minus s by 2, that is equal to cos of s minus b by 2. So now this can be written as cos of s minus b by 2. Ultimately, we can write as RHS 4 cos of s minus a by 2 cos of s minus b by 2 into sin c by 2, which is required RHS. We'll move to the next question. The next question, if a plus b plus c equal to 2s, then prove that cos of s minus a plus cos of s minus b plus cos c equal to minus 1 plus 4 cos of s minus a by 2 cos of s minus b by 2 cos c by 2. See here, given a plus b plus c equal to 2s, first thing, after that consider LHS. In the LHS we have cos of s minus a plus cos of s minus b plus cos c. For first two terms you have to apply transformation formulae cos c plus cos d. For first two terms we are applying cos c plus cos d, which is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So by using this formula, In this, C is S minus A, D is S minus B. So now it will become 2 into cos of S minus A plus S minus B divided by 2 into cos of S minus A plus S minus B divided by 2. Cos of C plus D by 2, cos of C minus D by 2 plus cos C. In terms of cos C by 2 you have to write it. So cos C in terms of C, 2 cos square C by 2 minus 1. This is the formula for cos C in terms of cos C by 2. Generally, we will write like this. Cos A can be written as 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1. So, in place of A, C is there, we can write it as 2 cos square C by 2 minus 1. So, 1 by 1 will simplify. Cos of S plus S 2S minus A minus B divided by 2. Cos of here C minus B by 2, no? So, I wrote here minus S plus B by 2. So, minus S plus S get cancelled, B minus A by 2 means minus B plus B by 2 minus A by 2. Plus 2 cos square C by 2 minus 1. So, 2S is equal to what? A plus B plus C. Since we have A plus B plus C equal to 2S. In place of 2S, you have to replace with A plus B plus C. So 2 into cos of A plus B plus C minus A minus B divided by 2. Cos of B by 2 minus C A by 2 plus 2 cos square C by 2 minus 1. So now minus A plus A get cancelled, minus B plus B get cancelled. So 2 into cos C by 2, cos of B by 2 minus A by 2 plus 2 cos square C by 2 minus 1. So from these two, 2 cos C by 2 take common from these two, and first you write minus 1 plus 2 cos C by 2 take common. So the rest of the terms, cos of B by 2 minus A by 2 plus cos C by 2. Again you have to apply cos C plus cos D like in first formula. So it will becomes minus 1 plus 2 cos C by 2, 2 cos C plus D by 2, B by 2 minus A by 2 plus C by 2 by 2, cos of B by 2 minus A by 2 minus C by 2 divided by 2. 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2, which is equal to minus 1 plus 2 into cos C by 2 into 2 into cos of, take LCM here, B minus A plus C divided by 4. 2 is the LCM in the numerator, again it will come to the denominator, 2 to the 4. So here also we write it cos of B minus A minus C divided by 4. After that, in terms of S, these values we have to write it. So B plus C is there. So observe carefully from this information, from this given. A plus B plus C is equal to 2S. In place of B plus C, can we write as 2S minus A? Similarly, here this B minus A minus C will be B minus of A plus C. From this A plus C also can be written as 2S minus B. These two results we will write it. Now, minus 1 plus 2 cos C by 2. 2 cos, in place of B plus C, you have to write 2S minus A, again minus A by 4 cos of B minus of A plus C will come. In place of A plus C, 2S minus B divided by 4. So now minus 1 plus 2 cos C by 2, 2 into cos of To take common s minus a divided by 4. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. Come to here, cos of minus take common 2s minus 2b divided by 4. In the next step, 2 take common and cancel. We get, and also one more information, cos of minus theta value is cos theta itself. So cos of minus of this angle is cos theta only. So we will get the required RHS minus 1 plus 2 cos c by 2 into 2 into cos of s minus a by 2 cos of s minus b divided by 2. 2 taking common and cancel. So next step, minus 1, 2 to the 4, first a term, cos of s minus a divided by 2 cos of s minus b by 2 into cos c by 2, which is required RHS. Step by step you have to do. In this transformation trigonometry, you need to apply in every step formulas of trigonometry. Cos c plus cos d, sin c plus sin d, sin c minus sin d, cos c minus cos d. If we follow the formulas, the subject will be very easy, dear students. You remember. We'll move to the next question. The next question, example problem, this is, if a plus b plus c equal to 2s, then prove that cos of s minus a plus cos of s minus b plus cos of s minus c plus cos c equal to 4 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2. So we will consider LHS. First, before considering LHS, given a plus b plus c is equal to 2s. Now consider LHS, a plus b plus cos of s minus a plus cos of s minus b plus cos of s minus c plus cos c. So for first two terms you can apply cos c plus cos d. For next two terms also cos c plus cos d you have to apply. We know that formula cos c plus cos d equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So for first two terms you can apply that formula, and for next two terms also you can apply the same formula. 2 cos c plus d by 2, s minus a plus s minus b divided by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, s minus a minus s plus b divided by 2. First two terms completed. Come to the second two terms. 2 cos s minus c plus plus c divided by 2 into cos of s minus c minus c divided by 2. Cos c plus d by 2, cos c minus d by 2. Now one by one we will simplify. 2 into cos of s plus s 2s minus a minus b divided by 2. Minus s plus s get cancelled. Cos of minus a by 2 plus b by 2 plus 2 into cos of s by 2 plus c minus c get cancelled. Cos of s by 2 minus 2c by 2. So minus c. So in this, what I am doing is, 2s can be written as a plus b plus c. No? Substitute there. So 2 into cos of a plus b plus c minus a minus b divided by 2. So minus a plus b minus b get cancelled. Cos of minus a by 2 plus b by 2 plus 2 into cos s by 2 cos s by 2 minus c. So 2 cos c by 2 cos minus a by 2 plus b by 2 plus 2 into cos s by 2 cos s by 2 minus c. We'll move to the next step. Here, dear students, here instead of C, S will be there, then it will be getting correct answer. Why? Because C is not there. Here S will be. Even here also S, cos S. Whenever S is there, S minus C plus S, and S minus C minus S. Minus S plus S get cancelled. It will become as minus cos C by 2. In the next step, cos of minus theta is minus cos, only cos theta na. So it will become cos C by 2. Here also we will change it. S plus S 2S. 2S by 2 means S. S minus C by 2. So this is S minus C by 2. So what will be take common from these two terms? 2 cos C by 2. Here also 2 cos C by 2 will be take common. This is cos C by 2, my last one. So it is S minus C by 2. So now take common 2 cos C by 2, 2 cos C by 2. So 2 cos C by 2 if you take common, cos of minus A by 2 plus B by 2 plus cos of S minus C by 2. Now apply cos C plus cos B formula. So 2 cos C by 2 into 2 cos of minus A by 2 plus B by 2 plus S minus C by 2 divided by 2. Cos C plus D by 2. Cos C minus D by 2. So minus A by 2 plus B by 2 minus S plus C by 2 whole divided by 2, which is equal to 2 into cos C by 2. So here 2 into cos of, first you take LCM, you will get it as 2 is the LCM in the numerator, again it will come as denominator, it will become 4. So 4 minus A plus B plus 2S minus C. After that cos of, here also same, take LCM here. 2 is the LCM, again 2 will come to the denominator, 2 is the 4 minus A plus B minus 2S plus C. Now wherever 2S is there, A plus B plus C, you have to write it. 2 cos C by 2. 2 cos of minus A plus B plus A plus B plus C, 2S value, minus C divided by 4 cos of minus A plus B minus 2S means minus A minus B minus C plus C divided by 4. So here plus A minus A get cancelled, plus C minus C get cancelled. Here plus B minus B plus C minus C. So remaining 2 to the 4 cos C by 2, B plus B 2B, 2B by 2. So cos of B by 2 will come. 2B by 4 means B by 2. Here minus A minus B by 4. Cos of minus A by 2. Since cos of minus theta is cos theta, so it will becomes LHS or RHS will becomes 4 cos A by 2 into cos B by 2 into cos C by 2, which is required RHS. This is the required solution. We will move to the next question. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. In the next video, we are going to finish exercise 6F. Till now we discussed exercise 6F, question number 10, Roman 1 and 2 and example 9. These type of category questions, that means A plus B plus C is equal to 2S cases. These questions were discussed. In the next episode, we are going to discuss A plus B plus C plus D equal to 360. That means 2 pi. Like these questions, 2 to 3 discussion we will discuss, including example problem. So we will finish it that exercise 6F. Thank you all for watching my channel. Please do subscribe and share to your friends. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can write to my comment box. I will help you. Thank you all.